Imagine waking up one day and realizing Wall Street no longer needs humans. AI is making million-dollar trades in seconds. Hedge funds are being run by algorithms, and retail investors left behind. But is this the future or just hype? Today, we uncover the truth about AI in investing and whether robots will replace human investors forever. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Zunaisha Wealth Whisperer, where we break down complex finance topics into simple, actionable insights. If you're serious about investing and staying ahead of the game, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe because this is a video you don't want to miss. AI is already taking over finance. Big banks like JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and hedge funds like Renaissance Technologies are using AI-powered algorithms to analyze market trends, predict stock movements, and execute trades at lightning speed. But how does this actually work? AI scans thousands of data points, news articles, earnings reports, social media sentiment faster than any human. High-frequency trading firms use AI to make trades in microseconds, capturing tiny price movements that humans would never notice. Robo-advisors like Wealthfront and Betterment are managing billions in assets with almost zero human involvement. So who wins? Humans or AI? Let's break it down. In terms of speed and efficiency, AI wins. No emotions, no fatigue, just pure calculations. In data processing, AI also wins, as it can analyze years of stock data in seconds. But when it comes to adaptability and common sense, humans have the edge. AI lacks intuition and struggles with black swan events like the 2008 crash. In risk management, it's a tie. AI can optimize portfolios, but it doesn't have intuition. Will get a fair? No, not an outcome. Will progress? Not an outcome. But humans can assess real-world factors AI might miss. Will AI replace human investors? The short answer, not entirely. At least not yet. AI is a tool, not a replacement. Even the best hedge funds still have human oversight. AI makes recommendations, but humans make the final decisions. Regulations and ethics also play a role, as governments are stepping in to prevent AI from completely dominating markets. Plus, there are risks of market manipulation. AI can be hacked, exploited, or make errors that cause flash crashes. So, should you be worried about AI taking over? Here's how you can stay ahead in this new era of investing. First, learn AI-assisted investing. Tools like ChatGPT, TradingView AI, and Point Connect can help you. Second, diversify your strategy. AI is great, but human intuition still matters. And third, follow the money. Keep an eye on where big institutions are investing their AI dollars. What do you think? Will AI completely replace human investors? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video valuable, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the future of finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.